Do you remember when gardens felt like secret hideaways? When fences were covered in roses, porches draped in morning glories, or little patios shaded by climbing vines? Those green tunnels and flower-covered walls made every corner feel like magic. Now here's the thing, many of us think we can't have that kind of garden anymore, maybe we don't have the space, or maybe we think it's too much work. But what if I told you there are climbing plants that grow like absolute crazy right in containers? That's right. Even if all you have is a pot on the porch or balcony, you can enjoy lush vines, bright flowers, and even fruit without breaking your back. And I'll tell you a secret, by the time we reach the 19th plant, you're going to discover something so surprising and nostalgic, it might just change the way you look at container gardening forever. So stick with me until the end, you don't want to miss it. And while we're here together, can I ask you a little favor? If you enjoy videos like this, please take a second to tap that like button and subscribe. It really helps this channel reach more senior gardeners, whether they're in the US, UK, Canada, Australia, or anywhere in the world, who deserve to enjoy these gardening secrets too. Welcome, my friend, to Golden Years Lifestyle Hub. I just want to say how much I appreciate you spending your time with me today. I know there are countless things you could be doing, but you chose to be here, and that means the world. Now let's make this time worth it. Today we're diving into 20 plus of the best climbing plants that grow like crazy in containers. These are easy, affordable, and senior-friendly. You don't need a big backyard, years of gardening experience, or endless energy to enjoy them. These plants practically grow themselves, you just need the right pot, a sunny spot, and maybe a little cup of tea nearby while you watch them climb. By the end of this video, you'll know which climbers bring the most color, which ones smell heavenly, which ones are edible, and which ones will surprise your neighbors in the best way possible. So grab your notebook if you like, settle in, and let's explore these climbing wonders together. Plant 1, Morning Glory. Let's start with a classic that many of us grew up with, morning glories. Do you remember those cheerful trumpet-shaped flowers that opened with the sunrise? They grow like absolute wildfire in pots, wrapping themselves around any little trellis you give them. For containers, a medium pot and a simple support, like bamboo sticks or even an old piece of fencing, will do the trick. The only secret, give them plenty of sunshine and don't fuss too much. They'll reward you with a wall of color in no time. I like to think of morning glories as nature's alarm clock. When they bloom, it feels like the garden is saying good morning even before you've had your first cup of coffee. Plant 2, Sweet Peas. Next up, sweet peas. Oh, these beauties carry such an old-fashioned charm. Their fragrance is enough to take you right back to childhood, walking by a neighbor's garden and catching that sweet powdery scent in the air. In pots, they do beautifully if you use a deep container and keep the soil moist. A small trellis, or even a few sticks stuck into the pot, will give them something to climb. The more you pick the flowers, the more they bloom, so snip away, bring a few inside, and enjoy that heavenly fragrance in your kitchen. Sweet peas are gentle climbers, perfect if you want a softer romantic look on your porch or balcony. Plant 3, Black-Eyed Susan Vine. Now here's a sunshine on a stick plant, Black-Eyed Susan Vine. Not to be confused with the daisy, this one is a climbing beauty that bursts with golden yellow or orange flowers, each with that sweet little dark eye in the center. In containers, they're fast growers, and they absolutely love a warm sunny spot. A hanging basket with a small trellis looks stunning, or you can let them spill and climb around a porch railing. This is the plant that says, "Look at me," and believe me, your neighbors will. Plant 4, Climbing Nasturtiums. Here's one that's as useful as it is pretty. Climbing nasturtiums. With their bright, bold flowers in shades of red, orange, and yellow, they can make any dull corner look cheerful. The fun part? Their flowers and leaves are edible. Toss a few into your salad and suddenly lunch feels like something from a fancy restaurant. They're happiest in a pot that isn't too rich. Believe it or not, they bloom more when the soil is a little on the lean side. And if they get a little wild and straggly, don't worry, that's just their playful nature. Plant 5, Scarlet Runner Beans. And finally in this group, let's talk about scarlet runner beans. These are real multitaskers. You get brilliant red flowers that hummingbirds adore, and then bonus, long edible beans for your dinner table. In pots, just give them a good sturdy support, like a tall tripod or an obelisk, and they'll cover it quickly. They remind me of those gardens from the past where nothing went to waste, beauty and food in one plant. This one is perfect if you love a bit of nostalgia and practicality rolled into one. If these first 5 climbing plants are making you smile, go ahead and tap that like button. It helps more gardeners, especially seniors around the world, discover this little community we're building together. Plant 6. Clematis. Now let's talk about the superstar of climbing flowers, clematis. This plant comes in just about every color you can imagine, from deep purple to snowy white, and when it blooms, it's like fireworks on a vine. In a container, all it really asks for is a roomy pot, a good trellis, and a little trick. They like their roots shaded but their tops in the sun. So you can plant a few low-growing flowers around the base to keep the roots cool. If you've ever wanted a plant that looks like you spent a fortune on your garden but only cost a few dollars, clematis is your friend. Plant 7. Miniature roses. Next, a timeless beauty, miniature climbing roses. Now don't let the word miniatures fool you. These roses are delicate in size but big on charm, and perfect for containers. All they need is a sturdy pot, plenty of sunshine, and a trellis or obelisk to wind around. A little pruning once in a while will keep them tidy, and you'll have that classic rose look right at your fingertips. Imagine sitting on your porch with a gentle breeze and your own rose-covered trellis nearby. That's the kind of everyday luxury roses can bring, even in a small space. Plant 8. Jasmine. Now if you've ever strolled through a garden on a warm evening and caught that sweet heavenly fragrance that makes you stop in your tracks, it was probably jasmine. In pots, jasmine is surprisingly easy. It loves a sunny spot, a tall support to climb, and regular watering. The reward? Fragrant blooms that make your evenings on the porch feel like you're on vacation in the Mediterranean. And here's a little secret, sometimes just one pot of jasmine is enough to perfume your whole patio. Plant 9. Bougainvillea. Now here's one for those who love bold color bougainvillea. These beauties bring a burst of tropical cheer with those paper-like flowers in shades of pink, red, purple, and even white. They thrive in big containers with lots of sun and well-draining soil. Give them a sturdy trellis or even let them drape over a railing, and they'll put on a show that makes your patio look like a little piece of paradise. I will warn you though, bougainvillea can get enthusiastic. But honestly, that's part of the fun. They grow like they're throwing a party and your garden gets all the confetti. Plant 10. Mandevilla. And finally in this group we have mandevilla. With its big showy trumpet-shaped flowers, this vine is the drama queen of containers. It loves warm weather, sunshine, and a tall trellis to climb. What I love about mandevilla is that it gives such a lush tropical look with very little fuss. Keep it watered, feed it once in a while, and it will cover your porch in glamorous color. It's the kind of plant that makes you want to pour yourself a cool drink, sit back and say, now this is living. If you're enjoying these ideas so far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way, you won't miss out on the next group of climbing plants. Some of them are so unique, they'll make your garden the talk of the neighborhood. Plant 11. Sweet autumn clematis. Let's begin with sweet autumn clematis. Unlike the flashy spring clematis we talked about earlier, this one waits patiently and then boom covers itself in a cloud of tiny white flowers at the end of summer. It's perfect for those of us who like a little surprise late in the season, just when other plants are starting to fade. In a container, it does well with a roomy pot and a sturdy trellis. Think of it as your garden's grand finale performer, stepping on stage right when you need it most. Plant 12. Trumpet vine dwarf varieties. Next is trumpet vine, but don't worry, we're talking about dwarf varieties here, perfect for pots. With its bold trumpet-shaped orange or red flowers, it's an absolute magnet for hummingbirds. Give it a good-sized container, a tall support, and lots of sun. Once it gets going, you'll have a lively little bird show right outside your window. This one always reminds me of summer evenings, sitting outside with family, listening to the hum of wings as the birds dart in and out of the blooms. Plant 13. Climbing hydrangea compact forms. Now here's an elegant surprise, climbing hydrangea. Most people think of hydrangeas as shrubs, but compact climbing varieties exist, and they're just stunning. They give you those lacy white blooms and rich, deep green leaves. In containers, you'll want a strong trellis or even a wall they can lean against. They grow a bit slower than some climbers, but once they settle in, they reward you with a classy, timeless look. This plant has a way of making even a small patio feel like an English country garden. Plant 14. Passionflower. Now if you want something that will make your visitors stop and stare, passionflower is the one. Its blooms look like they came straight from another planet, intricate, colorful, and absolutely mesmerizing. In a pot, it thrives with sunshine, steady watering, and a tall support. Some varieties even produce edible passion fruit, which is quite the bonus. I always say passionflower is the conversation starter of the plant world. Once you have it, you'll never run out of things to talk about with your guests. Plant 15, cup and saucer vine. And finally in this group, we have the whimsical cup and saucer vine. The flowers start as green buds, then open into little bell shapes that look just like teacups dangling from the vine. In containers, it grows quickly, so you'll want a strong trellis or support to keep up with it. It's perfect for adding a playful storybook charm to your patio or balcony. This is one of those plants that makes you smile every time you see it, like a touch of magic sprinkled into your day. If these unusual and surprising climbers sparked your imagination, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps YouTube share it with more gardeners who'd love these ideas. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. We still have some edible and practical climbers coming up next, and you won't want to miss them. Plant 16, climbing zucchini or cucumbers. Now let's start with something delicious, climbing zucchini or cucumbers. Many folks don't realize these veggies will happily grow up a trellis in a container. Not only does it save space, but it also keeps the fruit cleaner and easier to pick, no bending or digging required. In a large pot with a strong cage or trellis, zucchini and cucumbers will climb quickly. Water them regularly, and they'll reward you with fresh produce right outside your door. Imagine stepping onto your porch and picking a cucumber for lunch. That's gardening made simple. Plant 17, pole beans. Next is a real classic, pole beans. They grow fast, cover their supports in no time, and give you tender beans for the table. In containers, all they ask for is a deep pot, some poles or a teepee-shaped support, and steady watering. They're one of the easiest vegetables to grow, which makes them perfect if you want quick success without too much fuss. Pole beans are the kind of plant that makes you feel like a kid again, watching them grow tall almost overnight. Plant 18. Climbing tomatoes with support. Here's a treat for tomato lovers, climbing tomatoes. With the right support, certain tomato varieties will grow like vines in containers, climbing tall and producing fruit all season. All you need is a large pot, a strong cage or trellis, and plenty of sun. Keep them watered, and you'll enjoy juicy, fresh tomatoes without ever having to kneel in the dirt. And really, there's nothing like the taste of a homegrown tomato, still warm from the sun. Plant 19. Grapevines, dwarf or patio friendly. Now here's the plant I promised you earlier, the 19th idea that might just surprise you, grapevines in containers. Yes, you can grow your very own little vineyard right on the porch or balcony. Dwarf or patio friendly varieties do beautifully in large pots with a strong trellis. They'll climb eagerly, their leaves providing shade, and if you're patient, you'll even get clusters of grapes. There's something so nostalgic about grapes. For me, it brings back memories of childhood summers, sitting outside with a bowl of fruit and the hum of bees nearby. Imagine recreating that feeling with your very own vine. Plant 20, kiwi vines, hardy mini varieties. And finally in this group, we have a surprising edible climber, kiwi vines. Now don't picture the huge tropical kind. Compact, hardy varieties exist that grow well in containers, especially with a trellis or fence to climb. They're vigorous, playful growers, and if you give them time, they'll reward you with charming foliage and even small kiwi fruits. It's a conversation starter, and a delightful way to bring something exotic to your garden without a lot of work. Beauty and food, all in one. If you're enjoying these practical climbers, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It helps us keep sharing these ideas with gardeners everywhere. Plant 21. Ivy variegated or miniature types. And last we have the ever-faithful ivy. Now I know what you might be thinking, ivy, isn't that a little plain? But let me tell you, in the right container, ivy is a star. Variegated types with cream-edged leaves or miniature varieties can turn a simple pot into a year-round display. They climb gracefully up a trellis or spill beautifully over the sides of a container. The best part, ivy is forgiving. Forget to water it now and then, it bounces back. Want something that looks good in every season? Ivy's got you covered. It's like that dependable old friend who never lets you down. Before we close, let me share a few simple tips that make container climbing even easier, especially for those of us who want gardening to be joyful, not backbreaking. Choose lightweight pots with wheels or handles. That way you can move them around without straining your back. Use vertical supports you already have at home, an old ladder, a recycled gate, or even a bamboo stake. Water in the cool mornings when it's easier on you and healthier for the plants. And remember, you don't need to be perfect. Plants forgive mistakes. If a leaf yellows or a vine gets unruly, just trim it and keep going. Gardening is about joy, not perfection. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which one of these climbers would you love to try first? Drop your answer in the comments below because your stories inspire me and this whole community. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Every click helps this channel reach more gardeners seniors like us across the US, UK, Canada, Australia, and anywhere in the world who are looking for a little extra joy in their golden years. Remember, my friend, you don't need acres of land or endless energy to grow beauty. All you need is a pot, a little sunshine, and the willingness to try. You are more capable than you think, and every new leaf is proof that life is still blooming all around you. Until next time, thank you for being here. You are appreciated, you are capable, and you're part of this Golden Years Lifestyle Hub family. Now go out there and let your garden climb toward the sky.